Nail art plays a unique role in self-care and well-being, affecting mental and emotional aspects. It is a way to express yourself, showing off your creativity and individuality through intricate and beautiful designs and patterns, so on. A well done manicure can increase self esteem. Taking care of your nails and adorning them with beautiful designs can make you feel more confident and put together. Engaging in nail art can be therapeutic or relaxing. The careful brushstrokes, attention to detail, and focus needed to create nail art can be stress reliever. Nail art provides a creative outlet. You don't need any special equipment and you can experiment with colors and designs in your own space. Creating nail art is artistically satisfying. Seeing a design coming to life on your nails can be extremely rewarding and fulfilling. Nail art can also serve as a means of bonding with friends or family. You can have nail art parties, exchange ideas, and share the joy of creating beautiful designs together. The practice of nail art often demands focus and attention to detail, promoting mindfulness and helping individuals stay present in the moment. Well-kept nails with nail art can contribute to an overall positive self-image, making you feel good about yourself.